In this video we're going to show you how to restore faded leather in a quick and easy way, and it looks excellent. The first thing we use is a leather aerosol dye, and we just apply that directly to the faded leather. It absorbs right in and dries within a matter of seconds. Now, I'll have a list of the products that we use in this video in the description below. We use about 4 different products, 2 different kinds of dyes, and I'll have that in the description for you. So you really just kind of want to slowly mist this over there. Like I said, it dries within a matter of seconds and it absorbs right in. So this particular leather piece has 3 different tones. It has the base tone, which is a very light color. It has a secondary tone, which is actually the cordovan color that I'm applying right here. And then it has a third tone, which is a chocolate brown, almost a black color. And you want to apply them lightly in series. So here we're going to apply the cordovan first and in a moderate amount, and as you can see, it just absorbs right in. So you really want to hold the can about 2 feet back, at least a foot and a half. You really don't want to dye the leather darker. It's harder to go back when it's too dark versus from when it's a lighter color. It's much easier to dye something that's lighter versus something that's darker. And sometimes you even have to use acetone. So here we're going to apply the third tone, which is the dark brown, almost a black color. And you really want to be careful when you apply darker tones like this, because like I said, it's really hard to fix it if you dye it too dark. So you really just, less is almost better when it comes to this. It'd be better to waste a can than have to go through the process of removing the dye that you applied. So we'll apply a little bit there, then we're going to go over it with a cordovan coat again. We're going to reapply the third tone, like I said, just in a little bit amount. I'm holding the can about 2 feet away here, just really adding little bits of that dark brown to the leather there. I'm going to go over it again with a cordovan tone here, and that should bring it back to pretty much the exact same color as the remainder of the leather piece. And they have both these companies have several different colors that can match almost any kind of leather you can imagine. And it really just absorbs right in. So the leather does dry out a little bit when you're dyeing it and things like that. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take a high quality leather conditioner. I'll have the specific kind that we prefer in the description below. But almost any kind will work, but I really prefer this kind. And so you really just want to work this into the leather. It's going to take quite a bit because I said that it does dry out a little bit, not a whole lot, but this really softens up the leather. It extends the life of the leather. Even if you apply it to the whole couch, you should always condition your leather. It is skin. So we'll apply this here, and I'll show you a video after I apply this whole conditioner here, but it pretty much looks brand new and it feels brand new. It really comes out looking really good. We love these products and we've been impressed with them quite a bit, and we've been using them for over 2 years now. So here's the chair, and thank you for watching our video. Please tell us what you think in the comments below, and subscribe for future how-to videos. Thank you.